Hello dear students, here we are back again with our mathematics of class 7. Today we will be continuing with our chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimals. And in the previous video you all have seen and understand that we have done till question number 6 of exercise 2.5. I hope you all have complete your work till question number 6 of exercise 2.5. Today we are going to start with question number 7 of exercise 2.5, that is of decimal portion. So open your books all of you and read question number 7, what they are saying. Dinesh went from place A to place B. Dinesh is one person. He went from place A to place B and from then there to place C. Dinesh went from A, B and then to C. Okay. After that what they are saying, from A is 7.5 km from B. A is 7.5 km from B. That means distance between A and B is 7.5 km. Next is, and B is 12.7 km from C. And distance between B and C is 12.7 km. So now what they are saying, Ayub went from place A to place D. Now Ayub is another person. Ayub went from place A to D. Okay, Ayub went from place A to D. After that, from there to place C. This is Ayub. Okay, this is Dinesh. This is Ayub. Ayub went from A to D, then to C. After that, from D is 9.3 km from A. That means D and A. The distance between D and A is 9.3 kilometers. And the distance between C from D is 11.8 kilometers. So now what they are saying, who traveled more and by how much? With this is the diagram, this is the figure, but I have separated the figure for Dinesh distance traveled and for Ayub distance traveled. Distance traveled by Ayub is this, distance traveled by Dinesh is this. So now it is very simple to find that who traveled more. First of all, we will add both of these individually and we will see that whose distance traveled is greater. Whosoever distance traveled is, total distance traveled is greater, that person has traveled more distance. Very easy it is. So Dinesh traveled is equal to 7.5 plus 12.7. So how much? How do you add? See the difference. Okay, 12.7 will be here. Here whole number is of 2 digit. Here whole number is of 1 digit. So it will come on ones place. 7 will come on ones place and this 0.5 will come to decimal portion. Then you will add. 7 plus 5 is 12. Then it will go to this side. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Decimal, before decimal it will be decimal. Okay. Then it will be here. 20.2 will be the total distance travelled by Dinesh. Now let's see what is the distance travelled by Ayub. Ayub distance travelled is distance travelled by Ayub. Then what it will be, 9.3 plus 11.8. So 11.8 is of 2 digit number, 9 is a whole number which is of 1 digit. So 9 will come here and decimal ke niche decimal will be there. 8 plus 3 is 11, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, is 21. So 21.1 kilometer is obviously greater than 20.2. So Ayub traveled more distance. Very easy. Ayub traveled more distance. Clear? This is about your question number 7. Now next question is question number 8.